Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Monday, May 2nd. The mood on Wall Street and most markets around the world is positive, following news that U.S. forces killed Osama bin Laden in Pakistan. Right now, U.S. stocks are rising further after closing at their highest levels in nearly 3 years on Friday. The news is also boosting the U.S. dollar against other major currencies and driving down the price of commodities. Crude oil is falling back near $112 a barrel after closing at its highest level in more than 2.5 years on Friday. And silver prices are down 7% after tumbling 12% in just 10 minutes earlier. But gold is holding steady at around $1,550 an ounce.
Two big stories out of the healthcare industry could move the market today. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries is buying Cephalon for $6.8 billion. Cephalon had been fighting off a $5.7 billion hostile bid from Canada's Valiant Pharmaceuticals. But Teva's offer values the specialty drug maker at $81.50 a share, and Cephalon is rising to right about that level in early trading. Shares of Teva are jumping 3.5%, and Valiant is tumbling 9%. Meanwhile, one of the day's biggest decliners is Tenet Healthcare, dropping more than 6%. Community Health Systems boosted its hostile bid for the company from $6 a share to $7.25. Community says the new bid is its best and final offer, and that it will withdraw the bid if Tenet does not begin good faith negotiations by next week.
In other M&A news, Arch Coal is buying International Coal Group for $3.4 billion. Shares of ICG are jumping more than 30% on the news to right around the offering price of $14.60 a share, and Arch Coal is up about 1%. Meanwhile, DuPont is sweetening its buyout offer for Danisco, which makes food ingredients and enzymes. The new bid values the Danish company at about $6.6 billion after DuPont's previous offer failed to get the necessary support from shareholders. One of the day's biggest stock movers is Dish Network. The satellite TV provider said its net income more than doubled in the first quarter, due in part to a patent settlement with TiVo. Dish is jumping more than 11% on the news, and TiVo is surging nearly 9%.
Finally, our weekly list of bank and credit union closings supplied by Weiss Ratings. 5 banks shut their doors last week: Community Central Bank in Michigan, the Park Avenue Bank and First Choice Community Bank in Georgia, and in Florida, Cortez Community Bank and First National Bank of Central Florida. The Utah Central Credit Union in Salt Lake City also shut down last week, bringing the total number of failed credit unions this year to 7. 39 banks and thrifts have failed so far in 2011. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.